God. Here's the squall line. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. It is a hurricane. It is a literal hurricane out here. Oh! Did you see that? Was that a power flash? Was that a power flash? What was that? I saw something blue on my camera. Oh God, it's cold. The wind is giving me shivers. Oh my God. I'm sorry for the shaking camera. The wind makes it cold. Oh my God. Oh dear Lord. Oh my God. Big wave. Holy crap. Dear Lord. Jesus Christ. Trees are blowing like crazy. Wow. Bro, this is giving me flashbacks of last month when we had that freak storm came through. It's giving me flashbacks of last month with that freak storm. Oh my God. I am so cold right now. This wind is crazy. I might go inside in a little bit and get away from the wind. Oh my God. This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this happen before. And it's February. It was already bad enough with that freak storm in January, but holy moly, this is just as bad. Oh my God, those trees are blowing like crazy over there. Oh my God, look at those trees back there. Oh my God. Oh goodness. Wow. Wow. Absolutely insane. Oh God, I'm sorry for the shaking again. Sorry for the shaking. It's pretty chilly out here when it's windy. Oh my God. Oh my God. The wind chimes are crazy. What the heck was that? Okay, it's calming down a little bit. Okay, well, actually, maybe I might. Actually, no, I can't say that. What is, like, literally, look at this. It's raining, blowing rain. That's what it is. All right, I'm gonna go back in because I'm getting cold as heck right now. I'm gonna go. Oh my God. I am getting cold right now. Oh, Jesus. Bro, the wind is blowing behind me. Oh, what was that? Oh, goodness. Jesus. Oh my God, it's roaring. Oh my God, the wind is roaring right now. Oh my God. This is insane. Wow. You hear that roaring in the background? Oh my God. Jeez, look at that right there. That wind over there is crazy. That wind back there would be crazy though. Oh my God. Wow. I don't even know anymore. Yeah. I'm gonna go inside at any minute because I'm cold. Oh my God. Wow. I absolutely have no words. This wind is absolutely crazy. Yeah. Oh my God. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna... Oh God, here comes another one. Oh! 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 Jesus Christ! Okay, never mind. Oh my God. Look at that. That wind just knocked over that barrel. Oh my God. That wind literally knocked that barrel over right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. rain is starting back up again. The rain is starting back up again. Look at that. Look at the sheets of rain down there. It's just like going all across. This is the definition of a hurricane. It's blowing crazily. Oh my God. How is the power not cut off yet? Or at least like flicker or something. I'm surprised the power's still on. Oh wow, that rain. Wow, that rain be blowing like crazy. Oh. Oh God. Brace yourselves. Oh. Oh, brace yourselves for this one. This is gonna be a long ride. Oh God. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in. Oh my Jesus. Oh Jesus, out of all the sudden big wind burst. Dude, every time I say I want to go inside, a burst comes in. Oh my. Wow, those trees. Oh my Jesus Christ. Gusty showers will impact portions of Berkshire and Dutchess and Albany and Columbia County. Oh my God, a wind gust of 58 miles an hour was reported in East Glenville. That's in Schenectady County. And that's not that far away from me. Oh my God. Oh God, there was another barrel. Another barrel just came down. Oh God. Wow. Jesus. Oh my God. Yeah, special weather statement issued for Albany County. I'm not too surprised right now. Oh my goodness, that wind is roaring. It is roaring. It is roaring like a dragon. Oh my. Whoa. Do you hear that? Do you hear that roar over there? Oh my. Wow. Jesus Christ, look at that. At least hear that. Oh my goodness. Oh God, now it's coming. The worst part of the storm is happening now. The rain is getting heavier and the wind is getting stronger. Oh, wow. Oh, yep. Oh my Jesus Christ. Just look at the trees blowing. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Jesus. Whoa. Oh my goodness, there's sheets of rain blowing in just everywhere. Oh, well, just listen to the wind roaring. It's literally a hurricane. Oh, I just heard something fall over. I just heard something fall. I think it might have been another barrel. Definitely another barrel fell over. Somewhere over there. At least from where I heard it. Oh my God. Just wow is all I can say with this. Like, I don't even know what to say right now. This is absolutely insane. How are we not under a severe thunderstorm? Well, I mean, then again, there's no lightning or thunder with this storm, but it's still very, very strong. We're just only under a special weather statement for a gusty shower with 55 miles an hour wind gusts. That's it. All right, I'm gonna go back inside now before I get cold.